Hello and welcome back to my channel. There are certain foods which you must avoid during pregnancy as they might make you ill and harm the baby. Make sure what you're eating is right for you and your baby. Always opt for freshly cooked food which is healthy and seasonal fruits and vegetables. Here is a list of foods which you must avoid during pregnancy. Make a note of them.
Alcohol. It is always best to avoid alcohol altogether during pregnancy. Alcohol might have unwanted effects like brain malfunctioning and other developmental issues. It poses the threat of long-term health disorder. Drinking heavily during pregnancy can result in your baby developing a condition called fetal alcohol syndrome. It might also lead to miscarriage or stillbirth. Caffeine. High levels of caffeine can increase the risk of miscarriage, low birth weight, and experiencing difficult birth. Caffeine is found in many foods like coffee, tea, chocolates, energy drinks, and soft drinks. You don't need to cut on caffeine completely, but you need to limit it. 200 mg a day is the uppermost limit of having caffeine in a day. Raw eggs. Raw or semi-cooked eggs may contain salmonella, which can cause food poisoning. Eggs can be eaten when cooked properly in form of any recipe. Unpasteurized milk. Unpasteurized milk might have an array of harmful bacteria that might lead to foodborne illness. Pasteurization is the most effective way to kill any harmful bacteria. Unwashed food. Cut salads, fruits, and vegetables can grow bacteria very quickly. Always remember to cut salads and fruits freshly as far as possible. Wash thoroughly before you eat them. Certain kinds of fishes. Fish is a good source of many vitamins and minerals. If it is a part of your diet, you can eat one portion per week of the fish like salmon, trout, or herring. Don't eat more than this as fish might also contain pollutants. Certain fishes which have to be avoided altogether are tuna, dogfish, sea bass, sea bream, turbot, halibut, crab, shark, swordfish, marlin, tilefish, king mackerel. These fishes might be high in mercury or pollutant levels. Undercooked meat. Eating undercooked or raw meat increases your risk of infection from several bacteria or parasites like E. coli, Salmonella, Toxoplasma, or Listeria. This can risk your health and health of your baby, leading to stillbirth, neurological illnesses, blindness, epilepsy, and many more. It is best to eat properly cooked, freshly prepared meat if you want to. Junk food. This is time to eat nutritionally dense foods including protein, folate, choline, and iron. Try to avoid junk foods which are loaded with empty calories, sugar, and fats. While some weight gain is necessary during pregnancy, excess weight gain can lead to complications and diseases like diabetes, birth complications. Stick to healthy meal plan, avoid junk foods, especially processed ones. Soft drinks and sodas. These things contain chemicals, caffeine, sugar, artificial sweetener. All these can negatively affect your pregnancy and can lead to long-term effects. They have been found to be linked to poorer fine motor skills, visual ability, verbal skills in a child. It also leads to memory and learning difficulties. It increases the chance of baby developing asthma and obesity. As you can see, everything a mother eats affects her health as well as the baby's health. So it is very important for the mother to choose her food wisely. Jot down these things from the video and then you can eliminate them from your diet. and also note the things which you have to include in your diet, you can refer to my previous video. Always consult your doctor before you include anything new in your diet.
Thank you for watching this video. I am sure you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon over there. And this is Dietitian Priya Mohan signing off for now. And always remember to keep your health first.